If you add a collection description in Shopify, but it's still not showing on the collection page in Dawn theme, it's most likely because the feature is simply disabled in the theme settings. And as an example, I added the collection description to my all collection, but if I refresh the collection page on my site, and as you can see, it only shows the collection banner, whereas the description is still missing. So let's go ahead and re-enable description within the theme settings. At first, log into your Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Then locate Dawn theme, in my case version 15.2.0, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top click on Homepage, and then select Collections, and then click on Default Collection. Then on the left under Template, click on Collection Banner. Within the Collection Banner settings, look for this option, Show Collection Description, and make sure to enable it, then save the changes. Then allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to the website, and then refresh the page. And as you can see, the collection description is now displayed beside the collection banner. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.